Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful strap step by step. Alright, let's get started. To make the strap, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain as long as you want, and this depends on your project. Once you have the chain made, turn to the back and you'll find the little bumps at the back of the chain. Start on the second chain from hook, this one. Turn to the back. In this little bump, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. In the loop on the side of the previous stitch, insert, then insert into the next bump of the chain. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, then yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. Again, insert into the last loop from the previous stitch, then insert into the next bump on the chain, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through all the loops. Again, repeat this all the way to the end of the chain. At the end of the chain, 1 chain, turn. In the first stitch, slip stitch into the back loop. The back loop is the far away loop from us. Slip stitch into the back loop of the next stitch, and slip stitch into every back loop of every stitch all the way to the end. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!